Hi guys, here 4 square is 16 minus 2 plus 2 is 4 times 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 16 minus 4 is 12 times 4. Here 12 times 4 is 48 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 48 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So, we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here 4 square minus this bracket is 2 plus 2 is 4 times, here this bracket is 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we have exponent, subtraction and multiplication. The next priority here is exponent. So we have to do this exponent before this operations. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 16 minus this 4 times 4 is 16. Now 16 minus 16 is 0 is the correct answer.